How to use Zelle on multiple devices. To use the Zelle on multiple devices, you must use the exact same online banking login details across your mobile devices or link separate phone numbers and emails to different bank accounts. So first of all, you simply have to set up the multiple standalone Zelle applications account. You have to go ahead and then launch your device's App Store or Play Store, search for the Zelle application and install it on your secondary devices. Then use the separate email addresses to register. Then link distinct debit cards. Connect a unique Visa or Master debit cards to each profile, as you cannot link the same exact debit card to different Zelle accounts. Now you simply have to complete the independent verification. Verify each devices separately using the unique security code sent to that specific device's contact method. And this is how you can set up multiple accounts on Zelle. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.